The weather has got colder, and so I figured it was time for me to share some of my favorite winter skincare products. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some products that I'm going to be having in my winter rotation and just some product recommendations for when the weather gets colder, because that often leads to drier skin, at least in my case. I usually do these types of videos every season, and so make sure you are subscribed to me to stay up to date on how my skincare routine is changing throughout the winter, because I love recommending products that I am currently loving at the moment. I am briefly going to talk about each of these products, but I have full reviews to all of them in the description, so make sure you check those out. This list is fairly condensed, but buckle up because I have a lot of amazing products that I cannot wait to tell you about. Naturium released their new multi-peptide rich cream, which is the richer version of their multi-peptide moisturizer that absolutely worked amazing for my skin. I liked it because it had kind of a richer balm-like texture that worked well to moisturize my skin, especially when it was more dry in the winter. It's been in my day-to-day skincare routine and I've been absolutely loving it. This has been something that hasn't left my routine since I tried it, and it's become a favorite moisturizer of mine that didn't cause any acne or break me out. They use amazing peptides in this as well. I know it's designated to be an anti-aging moisturizer, but what I find with some products that are designed for that is that they are great to use when your skin is more dry, to be really nourishing and replenishing to the skin. This product really helps my skin barrier. If you are more oily and you don't need this heavy of a cream, you can always use this moisturizer as just a designated night cream. I also love it because it is a pretty budget-friendly option as well. Kind of in the same realm of the Naturium moisturizer, La Roche-Posay's Cicaplast Balm is an amazing product to lock in moisture to the skin. I like using this product on top of a moisturizer in my really dry areas. If you've been following me, you know that I have combination skin, and in the outer perimeter of my face, I get more dry. In the winter, that is exaggerated, especially around my neck. When I am shaving, especially, my chin and this area of my face gets so dry, and the Cicaplast Balm helps to prevent that from becoming an issue. I also love using this in my more dry and sensitive areas when I'm using actives, which I will bring up later in the video. This product specifically worked well for my acne-prone skin as well. I absolutely love the rich and nourishing texture. I just wish it came in a bigger size because I use it all over. I use this anywhere where I have extremely dry skin and I'm needing something to help take care of that. My favorite way to lock in the moisture on all of those areas, layering on top of all of those moisturizers sometimes in the areas where I get really bad, is by using an occlusive like the Prequel Skin Utility Ointment. I brought up this product because it's really something I use every season, but this season specifically, I'm using it in those areas where I talked about using a balm to really lock in the moisture, specifically at night, because it can be a little dramatic for daytime use. This works like no other. If you are using a Vaseline style product like this ointment, I would really recommend at least going in with a moisturizer beforehand and then locking in that moisture with an ointment. I sometimes go in with a moisturizer, a balm, and this ointment because, especially when I'm using actives or I'm out in the cold a lot, I like to layer it on and have a lot of nourishment to those areas, because truthfully, they become really dry, red, irritated, and sensitized, and that's just not an enjoyable experience at all. So I really try to do everything in my power to prevent that, and that's what this ointment does for me. I find that I often like to hydrate my skin throughout the day, and one of my recent favorite ways to do that is by using the Geek & Gorgeous Liquid Hydration. This is a hydrating face mist that is extremely budget friendly. I love it because they pack so many hard-hitting ingredients in this product in a convenient face mist form, so that if you get dry throughout the day, you can just go in with it and it will moisturize your skin instantly. It's very lightweight and I feel like any skin type would enjoy it. I also feel like this could be a safer option if you're wanting to moisturize your skin with acne. Everyone's acne is different, but still it is something that has a fairly simple ingredient list, and that's something that I found with acne prone skin I enjoy much more. There's going to be a lot of moisturizers in this video, but this one I specifically like putting on my feet or a really dry area of my body or face, which is the Prequel Advanced Relief Urea Moisturizer. I mentioned my feet because urea is an amazing ingredient to help combat dry feet, but this ingredient list works well for my face, my body, I mean really everywhere, and the value that you get is amazing. I will specifically go in with a sock after putting this product on my feet, and it maximizes the benefits of it, but I also use this as a hand moisturizer, a facial moisturizer, and all over body moisturizer as well, because it is just such an amazing and luxurious product. And I specifically picked it because of the value and also the amazing ingredients in it. I haven't gone back to using snail mucin since I stopped using that in the summer, mainly because I found other serums that work better for me, like the Anua Rice 7 Barrier Serum. This is such a thick and nourishing product with a lightweight feel on the skin. I like it because it provides more of an internalized hydration that shows more results over time, but has the sticky consistency that a lot of people have fallen in love with snail mucin. This product I feel like is the ultimate barrier serum for the winter, and my main pick as one that I've been continuously using because of the amazing ingredients they've utilized in this product. I also love that it's not suffocating, and I find that I can apply multiple layers of this throughout the day if I need a refresher to my skin. When it comes to cleansers, I find that sometimes when I am layering more hydrating products on my face, I'll need something that is very moisturizing but also very effective. The cleanser that's done that for me is the Verse Gentle Hydrating Cleanser. This is such an amazing balanced cleanser that has acne fighting ingredients in it that has worked well to balance my skin in the winter while also being very mindful of my skin barrier and being hydrating at the same time. It's rare that I'll find a hydrating cleanser that cleanses as well as this, and that's why I've absolutely fallen in love with it. Lip balms are crucial to me in the winter, and one that I've been going in with more frequently is the Peach and Lily Collagen Cushion Peptide Lip Balm. I like it because it leaves a little bit glossier of a finish, which I actually find I prefer more in the winter because it kind of stays on longer and makes my lips look more hydrated when they could appear very dry and cracked and dull. This product just instantly brings life back to my lips, and that's why I absolutely love it. Combined with the amazing hydration benefits and the great experience of this product, I'm gonna be talking about all of my favorite lip balms in the coming weeks, but I really am liking this one right now because it has been extremely nourishing for the winter. In terms of sunscreens, I have a lot of options that I love, but one that I tried when it was a little bit warmer outside that I've revisited and really enjoyed is the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Probiotica Glow Sun Ampule. This is something that left a heavier finish that I didn't get to fully appreciate when I originally reviewed it. However, since revisiting this in the winter, I've learned that this product really works well for my drier skin. I'm really needing to layer on moisture. Even though this is a little bit heavier as I reapply it, it's really necessary for me to start off with a base hydration of this sunscreen in the winter specifically on really dry and cold days. That's why I feel like I appreciate it even more now, and I wanted to mention it as a great moisturizing sunscreen for the winter. Now, milky toners are an amazing layering step that you can go in with if you're needing more hydration and nourishment to your skin, but one that I feel like it's a little bit more multi-purpose and has a gentle active-free exfoliant in it is the Ordinary Saccharomyces Ferment Toner. I really love this product because of its layering ability. It's more lightweight and you can layer this with any hydration serum, but I also like it because with extended use, it seemed to show benefits with the long-term hydration of my skin on top of hyperpigmentation and other skin concerns that I have. This product is absolutely amazing. If you're wanting more of a hydrating toner, you could go for any other milky toner as well, but this one I love specifically in the winter because I find that my skin looks and appears more dull when I'm outside in the cold more, summer, and so it's important for me to not over exfoliate my skin, but go in with something gentle with an active free exfoliant like this to help the appearance of my skin while also providing a nice hydration as well. I had a lot of moisturizers on this list, but the Dew Instant Angel is one that I had to bring up because it is a holy grail moisturizer for me every winter, at least since I've tried it. This product has a complex like I haven't seen in any other product, which is why I wanted to bring it up. Obviously, the moisturizers I talked about had a purpose in a skincare routine, but this one is really worth investing in if you're willing to, because of the amazing lipid-rich formula that they've chosen to include in this product. It's something my skin always relies on and shows more benefits with nourishment the longer that I use it, but it isn't very heavy on the skin. It's more just regenerative to your skin barrier, which is my favorite part about the experience of using this product. While we're on the topic of lipids, I also love the Skin Fix Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Serum. This product has a very lightweight finish, but has amazing lipids similar to the Dew Instant Angel that worked amazing to rebuild my skin barrier when it was really dry and irritated. I mean, this product showed benefits with my acne, my hydration, my skin barrier, just how my skin was looking and feeling. I've absolutely loved this product since I tried it. However, it is a little bit more expensive, but in my opinion, with the great complex they chose to include, I would 100% recommend it. Something that I notice I get in the winter more than I do the summer is a lot of skin irritation and redness, and one way I correct that is with the Hero Cosmetics Rescue Balm. Now be careful with this product because I have noticed it pill up some. I've used it in some videos, and that is a very humbling way to remind myself that sometimes this product can pill up a little bit. So just be mindful of that, but I specifically use the redness color corrector to help take out some of the redness from my skin, while also being a balm texture to hydrate those areas of my skin as well. I'll use it in my more specifically dry areas, and also on my nose, my cheeks, just anywhere where I am prone to get redness. I love the complex of the Hero Cosmetics Rescue Balm, and that is why I really would recommend this product. I talked about a lip balm, but a lip exfoliator that I've been loving this winter is the Eden La Chou Chou Lip Balm. This product has lactic acid and amazing nourishing ingredients to complement that exfoliant in it. It is a little bit thicker as well and has more of a balmy texture. So if you are looking for a more lightweight way to hydrate your lips while also exfoliating the dead skin cells off of them, then I would recommend this lip balm for that. It has a lightweight finish. It is a little bit more expensive, but I picked it specifically for this video because it is more of a balm thick texture. Finally, I want to emphasize the importance of exfoliating during the winter, and one product that I recently tried but I've been loving this winter is the Prequel Multi-Acid. This product combines a great blend of AHA exfoliants to gently exfoliate the skin in a milky toner texture, which I absolutely love. I feel like this formula is extremely innovative and does great things for the skin's moisture barrier while also providing a gentle exfoliation to the skin. By far one of the most gentle glycolic acid treatments that I have tried, and in the winter I like to use glycolic acid more than usual because it does help some of the surface dead skin that I have on my face, and it's important to regulate that whenever it is more cold outside because it can help moisturize your skin long term. Let me know what products you are currently loving this winter and what is in your winter skincare routine. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.